Hello guys, welcome to this video. So in this video I'll show you I built out a Google Translate clone web application clone directly in browser using HTML, CSS and JavaScript. So this is actually the application. We are running it locally, and for building this we have used Google Translate API, and it's actually the free version which doesn't require any sort of API key. So this is actually the full directory structure of the project. It's built entirely in HTML, CSS and JavaScript. So the source code is given in the description. You can directly purchase the source code. So this is the main file here, this HTML file. So you will simply run this file inside VS Code. Once you purchase it, you will see now the interface looks similar to Google Translate. So this is the Google Translate interface. As you can see, we are running it locally, and right here it will have the functionality to auto detect the language, or you can select any language of your choice. Let's suppose you want to convert this into Arabic, so you will see whatever text that you will written, automatically it will detect the text and it will convert this English to whatever. You will see that. So here you can change this language to any language of your choice, and you can do this unlimited number of times. There is no restriction. Once you purchase it, you will actually get this full application. You can even choose a full file as well, which contains 5,000 words limit, and then you can download. So this is, if you actually paste some bunch of text, if you search for a specific article that you have, so let me just paste this bunch of text here. So here I paste it here. You will see inside the Google Translate application. So automatically it will translate to the specified language that you selected here. So here you can select any language. You will see all the languages are there, and instantly it will convert this from the specified language. So whatever language that you selected, so it's actually doing all the processing directly in the background. So we are actually using the Google Translate API. If I show you the JavaScript file here, we are actually making an HTTP call to the, you can see Google Translate API. So here we are making the request. So it's actually a full stack project. So it's a Google Translate clone application having the same interface as well. So here you paste whatever text that you want to translate. Instantly you paste the text and automatically that text is translated. And here you can download the text which has been translated to a file as well by clicking the download button. Also we have the choose file button where you can upload the actual trans actual text that needs to be translated. So you have all these languages here. You can see, you can select any of the languages and you can do this unlimited number of times. There is no restriction to it. So once you purchase it, you will actually get the full source code. You will be able to customize this or add additional features as well. So this will save you a lot of time. I coded this application from scratch. So Google Translate clone. So whatever text that you paste here, automatically this will be translated instantly, whatever language that you select. You can see that all the languages are working perfectly. So I just showed you all the languages here that are there. You simply select whatever language from which you want to convert, or you can simply select auto detect, so it will automatically detect whatever language that you write, or you can specify the language here as well. So it directly runs in the browser using HTML, CSS, and JavaScript. So it's easy for you to deploy this application as well. So once you get the source code, so these are all the files which are there. So automatically after the payment, a zip file will be downloaded from Google Drive. So if you still face any issues, you can contact me after payment. I will definitely help you. So these are the bunch of files here. This is the main file, index.html. So it directly runs in the browser. So you can run this with the live server in VS Code and it directly runs. So it's easy for you to deploy this application as well to your shared hosting. So these are all the files which are there and you will be able to deploy this Google Translate clone very easily. You can see that. So whatever language that you select here. So this is the application, guys. You can see it's entirely inside HTML, CSS, and JavaScript. So it's easy for you to actually understand and also customize the look and feel of the application as well. It's completely responsive as well. It directly runs perfectly on mobile devices, tablet, or desktop. So I basically coded the UI user interface in such a way that it's compatible in all the devices. So you can safely purchase it. The link is given in the description. In the background, it's actually using the Google Translate API. So if you don't know, Google Translate has its own API, which is called as Cloud Translation API. So we are actually using the free API, which is doesn't include any paid API. So this is completely free to use. So as I basically built out this complete application on top of this, so it has all the features.